You don't need to be a professional designer to create a logo that actually looks professional. With this free AI tool, you can turn a simple idea into a polished brand logo in just a few minutes. First, open any browser and search for Leonardo.ai, then open the first website. Once you're on the website, click on Start Now to get started. Now you'll see the prompt section. This is where you tell the AI what kind of logo you want. Don't worry if you don't know how to write a professional AI prompt. You can simply describe your idea in normal words. Just make sure you mention your brand name and what type of business or brand it is. For example, you can describe the style you want, the type of business, the overall look, and even the colors or design style you're looking for. The more useful details you provide, the easier it is for the AI to understand your idea. Once your prompt is ready, simply click on the Generate button. Now give the AI a little time to process your request. After a few moments, it will generate multiple logo concepts in high quality. Go through the results and choose the design that fits your brand the best. If you don't like the first results, you can adjust your prompt and generate another set of options. Once you've found the logo you like, simply click on the Download button and save the high-quality logo to your device. And that's it. You can now use your AI-generated logo on your website, social media profiles, packaging, business cards, presentations, or other branding materials. The best part is that you don't need advanced design skills or expensive software. Just describe your brand idea, let the AI handle the design,